Yup. Maybe you have two things clashing your sound. Maybe when you're doing music production, you're making beats, you can split them with this method. I want to show you now. For instance, we have this. There's no real definition to both of them. Now listen to this. So you clearly distinguish this from this. How I did this is very simple. FL Studio 21 here. You can do this in any DAW. And how you do this is with the EQ. So let's see how I did this here. I'll just remove the EQ here on both of them. So I need something a little bit more different, you know. So I did this EQ here on this one. Just this EQ on this one just made all the difference. Let me just remove this EQ so that we do it again. So I'll just use my low pass here. Okay, low pass. Then I'll use high pass here. Let's hear it. Let me increase it so that we hear what we're doing. That's without EQ. With EQ. Yes, I'm cutting off some sound really, but it's to shape the sound with EQ. I'm thinking about everything together, like relative EQ to the other instruments in the track. Normally my bass will come in here, so I want this off. But if maybe there was no bass here, I could have just make it a little bit more. I know my bass will come in, so I want it like this. The goal here is just to make these two a little bit different. Look at the EQ we have here. Let me see if I can bring the second EQ. Alright. For the first one, I'm taking more of the mid-range, while this one I'm taking more of the high end. I can reset this one and do it back again. High pass. I'll just move it here. EQs now. One instrument in the mid-range, while the other one at the high end of things. Okay, so you'll get what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to put each instrument in their own EQ space with EQ. And I've used this to differentiate the two sounds. There's no rule to this, you can do it the way you want, but the point is, don't be afraid to maybe cut out some part of the sound, make it in a way that they occupy their own space in the EQ. That's one way to make your instrument not clash, to give them their own space. You can do this with panning too. I have a video on this pretty parametric EQ if you look up it in depth, the chords, high pass and all those things. I'll leave that in the video card. You can check it out. Like this video if you like it. If you haven't already, subscribe to this channel. I'm not Proto. This is on Pro Studio. That's it.
Small, don't believe your eyes. Don't give in to a terror of light.